Today we will discuss operational command words. So there are three operational command words: OCW1, OCW2 and OCW3. First we will discuss OCW1. To program OCW1, A0 pin should be 1. This N0 to N7 are the mask bit. If we want to mask interrupts, then we have to set it 1, and if we want to unmask, then we have to make it 0. Suppose there are 8 interrupts connected to 8259 from IR0 to IR7, out of which we want to mask 2 interrupts which are on IR0 and IR1 pin. At that time we have to make M0 and M1, these two bits 1 to mask IR0 and IR1 interrupt, and remaining you can make it 0. Next is OCW2, operational command word 2. To program OCW2, A0 pin should be 0. R means rotation, SL means specific, EOI means end of interrupt. D4 and D3 bits are 000, and L0, L1 and L2 are the interrupt IR level. If EOI bit is 1, means it is a non-specific EOI command, and when SL is 1 and EOI is 1, means it is specific EOI command. So whenever there is a non-specific EOI command, this bit is 1, and if it is a specific EOI command, then both bits should be 1. Whenever we want rotation, then R bit is 1, and if it is 0 means no rotation. Now we will see what is the difference between specific EOI command and non-specific EOI command. Specific EOI command. This command specifies which ISR bit to be reset. ISR bit means interrupt service register bit. It is sent to 8259 at the end of interrupt service routine. That is specific EOI command. In specific EOI command, at the end of interrupt subroutine program, we have to specify which ISR bit to be reset. Now next is non-specific EOI command. Non-specific EOI command, in this again we send at the end of interrupt subroutine program, we send command, but in this case it resets the lowest numbered ISR bit. So in case of specific EOI command, at the end of ISR program, means interrupt subroutine program, we have to define which ISR bit to be reset. And in case of non-specific EOI command, at the end of interrupt subroutine program, it clears the lowest numbered ISR bit. There is one more EOI, that is called automatic EOI. In this mode, no command is necessary. During second INTA bar pulse, the corresponding ISR bit is reset. So if R is 0, SL is 0 and EOI is 1, means it is non-specific EOI command. And what is non-specific EOI command? It resets the lowest numbered ISR bit. And if R is 0, SL is 1 and EOI is 1, means it is specific EOI command. And what is specific EOI command? At the end of ISR, interrupt subroutine program, we have to mention which ISR bit to be reset. In the next case, if R is 1, SL is 0 and EOI is 1. So SL is 0 and EOI is 1, means it is non-specific EOI command. And what is non-specific EOI command? At the it resets the lowest numbered ISR bit. And if you observe here, R is 1, means priority of the interrupt will rotate. In the next case, if you observe, R is 1, this R is 1, SL is 0 and EOI is 0. So in this case, SL and EOI both are 0, means it is automatic EOI. And what is automatic EOI? In this mode, no command is necessary. During second INTA bar pulse, the corresponding ISR bit, interrupt service register bit, clears automatically. And this R is once means interrupt priority will be rotate. In the next case, R is 0, R is 0, SL is 0 and EOI is 0. So if SL and EOI both are 0, 0 means automatic EOI. Automatic EOI means again in this mode no command is necessary. During second INT pulse the corresponding ISR bit will be reset. And if you observe this R is 0 here. R is 0 means interrupt priority will not rotate. In the next case, if R is 1, SL is 1 and EOI is 1. So if SL and EOI both are 1, 1 means specific EOI command. And we know what is specific EOI command. In this specific EOI command, which ISR bit to be reset, that we have to mention at the end of interrupt service routine program. And in this case is R is 1 means rotation is on. So if we want, for example, if you want IR4 interrupt will be the lowest priority, then we have to mention in L2, L1 and L0 100. So if we make 100, then IR4 interrupt will get lowest priority and highest priority goes to IR5. So IR4 will get the lowest priority and IR5 will get the highest priority. Then rotation is on. Means what? IR5 highest priority, then IR6, then IR7, then IR0, then IR1, then IR2, then IR3, and lowest priority goes to IR4. In the next case, if R is 1, SL is 1 and EOI is 0. So if EOI is 0 means automatic EOI. And what is automatic EOI? In this case, no command is necessary at the end of interrupt subroutine program. During second INT pulse, the corresponding ISR bit automatically clears. But in this case, rotation is 1 and SL is 1. Means in this case, we can set lowest priority interrupt. If we make this is 100, 100 means what? We are making IR4 interrupt to be lowest priority interrupt. So if IR4 is the lowest priority interrupt, then highest priority goes to IR5. After IR5, IR6, IR7, IR0, IR1, IR2, IR3, and the lowest priority goes to IR4. In the next case, if R is 0, SL is 1, EOI is 0 means no operation. Next operational command word is OCW3. To program OCW3, A0 pin is 0, D7 don't care, you can put here 0 or 1. SMM means special mask mode and ESMM means enable special mask mode. D4 bit is 0, D3 bit is 1, P means poll command, RR means request interrupt read interrupt request register, and RIS means read interrupt service register. So if RR is 0 and RIS is 0 means no operation. If it is 10 then no operation. But if RIS is 0 and RR is 1 means we are reading interrupt request register. And if RIS is 1 and RR is 1 means we are reading interrupt service register. The next D2 bit, this is P. P means poll command. If it is 1 then poll command, we are using poll command, and if it is 0 then no poll command. Using poll command we can increase number of interrupts more than 64, but there is some disadvantage. In this case microprocessor wastes its time. Now next is ESMM and SMM bit. So first we will discuss special mask mode. What is special mask mode? Usually 8259 disable interrupt requests of equal or lower priority that currently in service. But in special mask mode, 8259 permits interrupts in all inputs except the inputs currently in service. So if SMM and ESMM both bits are 1 1, we are setting special mask mode. And if this SMM is 0 and ESMM is 1, means we are resetting special mask mode. If both bits are 0 0 or 0 1, then no operation.